Protect your Webflow forms from spam and bots with this simple, step-by-step reCAPTCHA integration. First, navigate to your Webflow project settings. Locate the Forms tab. This is where we'll be doing most of our initial setup. You'll need to obtain Google reCAPTCHA API keys. Go to the Google reCAPTCHA website and register your site. You'll be prompted to enter your website's domain name. Once registered, Google will provide you with a site key and a secret key. Copy both of these keys. We'll need them in Webflow. Now, back in your Webflow project settings, under the Forms tab, you'll find fields to paste your reCAPTCHA site key and secret key. Paste them in the designated areas. Next, let's add the reCAPTCHA element to your form. Open your project's designer. Select the form you want to protect. In the Elements panel, search for reCAPTCHA, drag, and drop the reCAPTCHA element directly into your form structure. It will appear as a checkbox for users to interact with. Finally, publish your Webflow site. Test your form to ensure the reCAPTCHA is functioning correctly. Legitimate users will see the checkbox and can submit without issue, while bots will be blocked, keeping your data clean and secure.